Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'd like to talk about a little feature that I've been enjoying over the years, and that is disabling the horn chirp confirmation when you lock up the car with your remote key fob. So before we get started, if you've lost your remote key fob or you never had them, I've made a video on how to program extra remotes to your car, so I'll put a link to that video down below. And if you've got a police model Vic, I found a video on how to add the Ford factory keyless key fob remotes for around $30. And that video was made by a YouTuber named the Wolverine Guy. So I'll put a link to that video down below as well. So let me give you a demonstration on how this system works. So when I lock up the car with this remote and I push the unlock button one single time, it tries to do four things. The first thing is it tries to lock up all the doors. The second thing is it will flash the parking lamps and the license plate lamp. And the third thing, it will chirp the horn as a confirmation. And the fourth thing, it will activate the passive anti-theft system. So let me show you what that looks like. So you may have heard the power locks solenoid actuate, and then you saw the parking lamps flash, and you heard the horn chirp. And let me show you that again one more time from the rear. So you might be wondering, why would I want to disable the horn chirp? Well, one possible scenario is, imagine you're coming home at 3 in the morning after you just tied one on at the bar, and you want to come home as stealthily as possible and get in the house without waking up that special someone, because you don't want to hear it, at least not till daybreak. Okay, so let's go inside the car and I'll go over the deactivation procedure. Okay, so before you start this procedure, you want to make sure your driver door is closed, but right now I'm going to leave it open so I can show it a little bit better. And I also have the door latch pinned, so the car thinks the door is closed anyways. So the instructions for this deactivation procedure are in your owner's manual. And if you don't have your owner's manual, I'll put a link down below to the Ford website and the Lincoln website, where you can put in your year, make, and model, and view, and even download the manual. So step one on here is, it says to turn the key on to the run position, but don't start the car. And then you're going to push the unlock button on the door panel 3 times. And then you're going to turn the key off. And then you're going to push the door unlock button 3 times again, and then turn the key back on, but don't start the car. And once you do that, you're going to hear the power lock cycle, and that'll let you know you've entered programming mode. And once you hear that, you're going to push the unlock button again twice. And once you do that, you're going to wait for around 3 seconds, and then you're going to get a second confirmation that the programming has completed. And then once you hear that confirmation, you can shut the car off. Alright, so let's see if I can do this on the first try. So you also do want to wait for those chimes to finish beeping. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Turn the key off. 1, 2, 3. So there's the power lock cycling, letting us know we're in programming mode. And I'm going to hit it twice. And now we're going to wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So we got the cycle confirmation, so now we can turn the car off. Okay, so now what happens when I hit this lock button, we should have no horn chirp and no parking lamp flash. So let's go see what that looks like. Okay, here we go. Okay, so what you heard was the power lock cycling, and of course we didn't get the parking lamps flash or the horn chirp. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.